Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English-CafeE, your cozy corner for confident English. I'm Alex, your host and teacher for today's session. Today, we're diving into a powerful technique called shadowing. If you're new to this, shadowing is where you listen to me say a short sentence or phrase, and then you immediately repeat it, trying to copy my pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation as closely as possible. Think of it like being my echo. It's a fantastic way to improve your speaking fluency, your pronunciation, and your overall confidence in using English. We'll be working with very common and useful phrases. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. The goal is consistent practice. Are you ready to start? Let's go. All right, let's begin with some fundamental greetings you'll use every day. These are the building blocks of any friendly conversation. Our first phrase to practice. Listen and repeat. Good morning. Well done. Remember the two parts. Good morning. Listen and repeat again. Good morning. Fantastic. That sounded very natural. Next up, a greeting for later in the day. Listen and repeat. Good afternoon. Nice one. Good afternoon. Listen and repeat again. Good afternoon. Super. And for the evening time, listen and repeat. Good evening. Great. Good evening. Listen and repeat again. Good evening. Wonderful job. Now, let's practice a very common question to ask someone. Listen and repeat. How are you? Good. Try to make the intonation go up slightly at the end. How are you? Listen and repeat again. How are you? Much better. Excellent. And here's a standard way to reply. Listen and repeat. I'm fine, thank you. Very good. Smoothly, I'm fine, thank you. Listen and repeat again. I'm fine, thank you. Perfect. Another simple and useful reply. Listen and repeat. I'm okay. Nice and simple. Good. Listen and repeat again. I'm okay. That's it. You can also say this. Listen and repeat. Not bad. Well done. A very natural response. Listen and repeat again. Not bad. Great. And it's polite to ask back. Listen and repeat. And you? Good. Short and effective. Listen and repeat again. And you? Excellent. Here's a more informal way to greet someone and ask how they are. Listen and repeat. How's it going? Nice. Linking how's it. Listen and repeat again. How's it going? Fantastic. And a common positive reply to that, listen and repeat. Pretty good. Good job. Listen and repeat again. Pretty good. Wonderful. Great job with those greetings. Now let's smoothly move into practicing some essential polite expressions. Let's start with a very important one for making requests polite. Listen and repeat. Slowly, please. Very useful if someone is speaking too fast. Good. Listen and repeat again. Slowly, please. Perfect. Now, how to express gratitude, a very common and important phrase. Listen and repeat. Thank you very much. Lovely. Thank you very much. Listen and repeat again. Thank you very much. Super. And how to respond when someone thanks you? Listen and repeat. You're welcome. Nice. You're welcome. Smoothly. Listen and repeat again. You're welcome. Brilliant. Here's another way to reply to thank you. Listen and repeat. Don't mention it. Good one. Sounds very natural. Listen and repeat again. Don't mention it. Fantastic. If you need to get someone's attention or pass by them politely, listen and repeat. Excuse me. Good. Useful in many situations. Listen and repeat again. Excuse me. Very clear. A similar phrase you can use is this. Listen and repeat. Pardon me. Well done. Also very polite. Listen and repeat again. Pardon me. Excellent. And when you've made a mistake and need to apologize, listen and repeat. I'm sorry. Good intonation there. I'm sorry. Listen and repeat again. I'm sorry. Fantastic. And that brings us to the end of this shadowing practice session. You've worked on some very important greetings, introductions, and initial polite expressions. Remember, consistent shadowing is key to improvement. This has been English-CafeE, your cozy corner for confident English. I'm Alex, your host and teacher for today's session. If you found this session helpful and want more content like this, please hit that like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss an episode. Thank you for joining me. Keep practicing, stay confident, and I look forward to seeing you in our next session. Bye for now.